Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, now it's finally time for the forging part of the video. Woo. Oh, look at that! Okay. Oh, this one is nice. Alright. So, what I'm going to try to do is stretch the billet out, because it's 7 layers. Get that stretched out and see what happens. But I also have to be careful, well, because this looks like this might be able to fit there. I am very worried how to handle this, because I welded the rebar like you see, but it's moving too, right? So I'm a little worried. I am a little worried, so I think it's set enough so I can hopefully hammer hard. Let's try it. Yeah, because I have to keep this thing boiling hot. I'm sorry, not boiling. It's not water. It's not liquid. But yeah, I gotta keep this thing in forging hot, right? So yeah, that's why I'm a little nervous. Oh, fuck. So, yeah. Or, because I don't want to keep doing that again. And for a while, this might just be a 7-layer Damascus. Or a Gomai, or whatever really floats your boat on it. Alright, whatever. As long as I'm getting the money shot, that's all that matters. Holy! Alright, just give me a minute there. Just gonna go get my iced tea for a minute here. Holy. Oh. Whew. Man. Oh. Frig. All right. Yeah. Like, John. I just want to keep this thing kind of really hot because I don't want the scale to get in between. So, until I get that thing thin, I can't. I'm stuck. This is going to be fun. Gonna be doing this for probably 5 to 6 hours. Yay! So, well, it's gonna be a lot of videos. Not gonna lie. All right. There. Oh. So yeah, just in case you're wondering, you're like, why is he like just taking it out and just... That's why. I don't want scale in here. It's my first layer Damascus. I want this to go well. Okay. So, just because... Actually, you know what? I'll save this for the forging part 2, okay? It's almost 10 minutes to here. I also want to put it on TikTok, so I hope you guys like the video, share, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Now, peace.